Thank you so much for returning to my YouTube channel. If you went ahead and read the description bar and the thumbnail, we're going over our monthly favorites. I wanted to start off with my body mist that I like to go ahead and use. Now, I do have my AVONS called Today. I'm still going to be linking it down at the bottom. I tend to call that as my signature scent because I get so many compliments when I go ahead and wear that perfume. Jim will go ahead and buy me like 3 or 4 bottles when they do come on sale on AVONS. So if you're looking for great AVONS options, you might want to go ahead and check out their website. But when I'm coming out of the shower or maybe just running a few errands and I don't want to end up using my perfume, I'll gravitate actually towards my fine fragrance body mist from Bath & Body Works. This one is actually called Waikiki Beach Coconut. Smells like a tropical vacation. We got that one. That one is actually new because I actually went through the other one. Plus they're changing out the packaging. And this one I love because I can go ahead and shake it. This one has some shimmer in it. It's called Magic in the Air Diamond Shimmer Mist. So we're gonna put a little bit more, like how I did that one time. And then what you end up doing, you grab your blow dryer, hang on. Then you grab your blow dryer, put it actually on low, or if you're actually in a rush, put it on the higher speed, but on cool. It'll actually give you a little bit of shimmer. Now, I don't think you can actually see it because I have this white blouse on, but if you're actually slightly closer to me, or if I'm actually in the sunlight, you see just a little bit like fine sparkles, like a fine mist, and I just love that since I'm actually going out and running errands. We got our setting spray. Which ones? Make a revolution. Why? Because they're affordable, and I actually have 2. I think I explained last month, and some of you actually had some questions that you left down the bottom. So I'm gonna go over it again. The Aqua Primer Base, I'll actually use this once I put on my moisturizer and my primer. Then I'll give myself a good spray with this. I then go over with, let it dry. I'll take my blow dryer that I have here, go over that, and then I'll go over with my foundation and powder and the rest of my face. Before I put on my mascara, I'll use their fixing spray. I heavy coat. I'll use like 10 or 12 pumps. And then I'll get my blow dryer, go ahead and blow dry it down. And then go ahead and put on my mascara. I never use my setting spray and then have my mascara on. I always put my setting spray and then my mascara on. Now, of course, we have Maui Moisture. Why? Because this girl loves it. Also as a leave-in conditioner as well as a hair mask. I would definitely recommend this because when I'm at the beach, if I'm not using my organic coconut oil to either take off my makeup, I'll go ahead and either use this or this one here, especially if we're at the beach. Take out like about 2 hefty tablespoons and literally just massage it into your hair, and then go ahead and put a towel. And then if you want to tan or just relax or do this at home and you don't want to go to the beach, you can go ahead and do that. So Maui Moisture, and this one is organic virgin coconut oil. I always have both of these on hand. I got a new makeup sponge. This is actually from Juno Company. Let's go ahead and open it right here. I actually have another one that is open, but I don't want to show you because it's actually dirty. These are actually microfiber precision sponges. Comes in different shapes. I actually got their bundle. And these are from Juno Company. This is what the package actually looks like. So since this one is brand new, because my daughter-in-law is going to come by and pick that one up, we're going to put that one on the side. We still got our 2 MAC, what are these? They're mineral finish powders. One is in Global Glow and the other one is in Cheeky Bronze. And again, I love it because when you go ahead and open it, it actually comes with a cover. And this one is actually a stunning color, almost like a bronzy, peachy coral color. So I'll actually use that very, very lightly over my whole face. So that one is actually in Cheeky Bronze. And the other one is actually in Global Glow. Global Glow. Gotta have 2. If I can still have my MAC haul over here. This one is gorgeous. This one is a little bit more matte. So I love both. And again, it comes with the cover. You need to put it back on. We'll put these on the side. As far as a lip balm, because I like to carry one in my handbag, one in my beach bag, and one here at my cosmetic station, Maui Babe Lip Balm. Now, I know like you can do like a chapstick, or sometimes I'll just put like a clear gloss or moisturizing balm over before I go ahead and put on my lipsticks. But we got Maui Babe. We got that one. We got the Silk Nail Polish on, which I'm going to be linking down at the bottom because I think it is in Barefoot from Barcelona. Because I went ahead and changed my contacts, so it's all wonky. And if you hear the helicopter, we're just going to film right through helicopters from now on. Because if I want to get some videos done, we need to go ahead and just film through the helicopters while we're taking a drink of water and staying hydrated. Okay. As far as eyeshadow palettes, we have Milani, their Gilded Desire. I haven't been investing into a lot of their newer ones because I'm just not interested in some of their newer eyeshadow palettes. This one I think is very travel friendly because you got your mix of shadow and shimmers in here, and then you actually have two highlighters at the bottom. So if I want to take a highlighter, and if I'm out and about and I want to put a little bit of shimmer over a matte lip or cream-based lipstick, I can do that. So this is Gilded Desires from Milani. I think the colors are absolutely stunning. And then NYX has their Professional Makeup Ultimate Finishing Eyeshadow Palettes. We got two separate colors. This one actually has beautiful sunset colors. I wanted to gravitate towards this one because I think that it goes very nicely with some of my coral lipsticks. This one is actually in Sugar High. So I rotate between this one and this one, which actually has a few turquoise and purple colors, because whenever I tend to wear purple, my hazel eyes end up turning out a little bit more green. And this one is actually in Smoky Screen. So this is actually my second palette. I actually panned through the other two because that's how much I actually love it. Plus it's actually travel friendly because of much darker colors. I can actually use it as a liner. But I actually have three. Do I have three Tarte lipstick? Because I just leave it like right here in front of me so I won't forget. Yeah, the first one is actually in Tap Down. Now, even though it's a much darker color, you're able to matte it down and thin it out because their lipsticks are actually very, very pigmented. And this is what the packaging actually looks like with the lipstick and the lipstick bullet. Let me turn that back down. They were actually on sale. So when these actually came on sale, I ended up picking up like two of each color. And the next one is actually called Hey Sailor. Hey Sailor. This one I like to use with a highlighter that actually has a little bit of gold or peach in it. Then it'll actually turn down that bright pink and turn it to a more like almost like a coral kind of pink colored lipstick. So I love that one. And I think the last one is Bikini. So we got Bikini. We'll put that right next to the more pink one. This is almost like a coral red. And again, if you were to go over maybe with a shimmer gloss like in peach or coral, I think that would also go ahead and turn down the colors. But we got those. So those are the lipsticks. And then of course we got Lorac. I'll be listing two of the colors down at the bottom because the print is so small. This one is a beautiful pink. Very pigmented. So if you're looking for a lip gloss that's really pigmented, you need to go ahead and gravitate towards those Lorac lipsticks. I mean, they're Lorac lip glosses. And this one is beautiful too. In fact, just over a lip liner, I think would be beautiful. Glossy, glossy, glossy. So those were the items. Let me go and take this off. And of course, here's my sunglasses for the month, which is actually from their BP line from Nordstrom. So I'm just going to be leaving the Nordstrom's link down at the bottom. But I love this one because it was universal. When I go ahead and take it off, my nose pieces sit very nicely and doesn't leave that ding or dent on my nose when I go ahead and take it off. So I wanted to go ahead and share those glasses actually with you. We're going to take them off. And these I actually found, I think, from eBay. So again, if you want me to go ahead and do a montage, these are actually more like Monstera type of earrings, almost like a leaf design. In fact, let me take them off. Like a leaf design right there. Like a leaf design. Cute, yeah? So I thought It looks very tropical, especially for summer. How many pairs did I get? I got like 3 pairs. So if you want me to do a montage on some of these earrings that I actually found from eBay, they were actually very affordable, I can go ahead and do that. So I know that this video is going to be a little longer than normal, and I apologize, but hey, you folks wanted to see my monthly favorites. So I wanted to go ahead and recap what I've been using last month for my favorites. So my name is Vonalyn Naipo. I hope that everyone out there is having a great and productive day. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha. Bye-bye.